Mint is a free budgeting app that allows you to connect all of your financial accounts in one digital space so you get a high-level overview of your financial health. The app also allows users to track spending and savings and set and track budget goals. Hello everyone, I hope you all are having an amazing time. Today I'm back with another tutorial video, and in this video I'll be guiding you guys through the steps of downloading and logging into your Mint app. So let's get started. First of all, go to the App Store if you are an iOS user, or go to the Google Play Store if you are an Android user. Then in the search bar type Mint and search for it. So here's the Mint app that you're looking for. To download the app, tap on the Get option right here. In place of Get option, there is Open option in my screen. This is because I've already downloaded the app. Once the app has been downloaded in your device too, tap on Open to go to the app. Now you'll be able to see this interface. To log in, you can either provide your email address or user ID, or you can enter your phone number. So enter any one of these information and then tap on Sign in, and that's it. You'll be logged into your Mint account. So we have come to the end of the video. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If it was, then please make sure to like, leave a comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Tech Quest. We'll be back with more such videos. Until then, have a great time. Bye-bye.